Welcome back to the channel, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant city of Valencia, Spain, a place where stunning architecture meets rich history and mouth-watering cuisine. Whether you're a culture buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, Valencia has something for everyone. Join me as we explore the 7 best things to do in this beautiful city that will make your visit unforgettable. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you. Number 7, Torres de Serranos. When visiting Valencia, the iconic Torres de Serranos is a must-see. Constructed in the late 14th century in the Valencian Gothic style, it stands as one of 12 gates that once formed part of the city's ancient Christian wall. At ground level, the tower's impressive size and beauty are immediately striking, but they are best appreciated from the top, accessible by climbing the narrow, winding stairs. From the summit, you'll be rewarded with stunning views of Valencia's old town and its surroundings. The panorama also includes glimpses of other historic landmarks, such as the Cathedral and Mercado Central. Number 6, La Estrecha, located in Valencia's Plaza Lope de Vega. La Estrecha is a fascinating house that boasts the title of having Europe's narrowest facade. Measuring just 107 centimeters wide, this unique 5-story building was originally a family home. Each floor consisted of a single room, all connected by a spiral staircase, with the ground floor serving as a family-run jewelry shop. In the 1980s, the interior wall was removed, effectively merging the space with the adjacent Tasquita La Estrecha tapas bar. Despite this, the house still retains its own front door and remains a distinctive, Instagram-worthy sight. Today, visitors can step inside the building to get a sense of what life was like within its walls. The original flooring has been preserved, and there's an interesting collection of photos showcasing the house's interior. Number 5, City of Arts and Sciences. If you're deciding what to prioritize during your visit to Valencia, make sure to see the City of Arts and Sciences. This modern architectural marvel is located at the end of the rerouted Turia River and features several futuristic and unique buildings, including the famous oceanographic aquarium. Among the highlights are La Hemispheric, a structure resembling a giant eye that can open and close, housing a planetarium and IMAX theater. The Museum of Principal Sciences is a natural history museum designed to resemble a whale's skeleton. The complex also includes the Agora, a tall, covered sports arena, and the Palau Opera House, which boasts 4 theaters, an opening roof, and moving platforms connecting the floors. The area is connected by a landscaped walkway, showcasing Valencia's native vegetation and a stunning suspension bridge. Number 4, Oceanographic Aquarium. This standout attraction in the City of Arts and Sciences celebrates the stunning Mediterranean marine life off the coast of Valencia. As the largest aquarium in Europe, it houses an impressive variety of aquatic creatures from around the globe, including dolphins, sharks, penguins, and sea turtles. Take your time exploring the diverse exhibits, where you'll be captivated by the vibrant fish, majestic rays, and elegant jellyfish, all swimming in large tanks that mimic their natural environments. These displays offer a fascinating glimpse into the underwater world. A highlight of the aquarium is the incredible underwater tunnel that takes you through a massive tank filled with sharks, delivering a thrilling, immersive experience that's sure to give you goosebumps. Number 3, Valencia Cathedral. As you explore Valencia's historic old town, the Valencia Cathedral is an unmissable landmark. This iconic Roman Catholic church is one of the city's top attractions, built on the site of a former mosque, with construction spanning from the 13th to the 17th centuries. Due to its lengthy construction period, the cathedral's facade showcases a blend of architectural styles, including Baroque, Valencian Gothic, Neoclassical, Renaissance, and early Romanesque. A major draw for visitors is the claim that the cathedral houses the true Holy Grail in one of its chapels. Whether this is fact or legend, the chalice has gained recognition as the official papal chalice, most recently endorsed by Pope Benedict. Inside, the cathedral boasts a magnificent nave, a beautiful chapel, and several priceless 15th century paintings. Number 2, Mercado Central. Any visitor to Valencia should make their way to the city's famous and bustling central market. This public market, one of the oldest still operating in Europe, is open 6 days a week, closed only on Sundays. The market is housed in a modernist building, constructed in 1914, featuring stunning stained glass windows and accommodating over 400 vendors. The market's vibrant stalls are filled with a wide variety of fresh produce, including seafood, cured meats, cheese, fruits, vegetables, and artisanal bread, all beautifully displayed and sold with great enthusiasm. For those who prefer to soak in the atmosphere, a large tapas bar is located at the market's center, offering a full view of many of the shops. Number 1, Malvarosa Beach. As beach enthusiasts, we always make a point to visit local beaches during our travels, so we were eager to check out Malvarosa Beach on our first trip to Valencia. Fortunately, it did not disappoint. Located just a 20-minute cab ride from the downtown area and easily accessible by public transport, Malvarosa Beach offers a stunning expanse of golden sand and crystal-clear waters, ideal for swimming and sunbathing. While it's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, there's plenty of space to lay down a towel and relax. The beach is lively at all hours, and adjacent to it is the Paseo Marítimo, a beautiful seafront promenade perfect for walking, roller skating, jogging, or stopping at a restaurant to enjoy some paella and a glass of wine. Malvarosa Beach is also home to the house of the famous Valencian writer Vicente Blasco Ibáñez, now a museum showcasing his personal belongings and literary works. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.